Now then, the drone. This is a piece of technology that could revolutionary to enhance the convenience of life of people on an everyday basis to save machine technology. Well, welcome to the future, 2029 and started.
Technology is increasing and the impact on our lives is changing. Let's watch a video to see how technology is changing and has changed over the last few decades.
Collaboration, and inquiry, the amount of technology we use has grown and evolved.
We wanted to consider how life might change due to technology, and have spent time in DT classes and during tutor time inquiring about how our life might change due to new technologies. Our first step is looking at drones.
Drones can be flown by a human or can be flown by using algorithms. They have many uses such as delivering light items such as food and letters. Imagine getting your clothes dropped into your back garden or yard.
Drones have also been used to search for faults in underground train tracks and tunnels. This is being done here in Singapore and saving time and manpower, overall saving money and allowing the MRT we use every day to continue to provide an excellent service and remain on time.
Drones have a number of uses. They are often able to reach unexplored areas or unsafe areas for humans to enter. This has been useful for rescue operations following natural disasters and fire emergencies, reducing the risk to other people.
In fact, drone technology has improved so much that next year in Singapore, new taxi helicopters will be taking the skies and moving people from place to place. Robots are another invention currently being seriously developed and improved to suit individual needs.
Robots are not living. They do not respire, do not have cells, and do not fulfill other criteria of being classified as a human.
They are powered by a battery, not by heart. They do not get energy from their cells, but they get energy from a source like electricity.
Robots are being used in many ways already and often to support members of society. In Japan, robot seals have been introduced to help people suffering from Alzheimer's and dementia.
Japan is very forward.
Even if Robbie is a robot, he's made so that he can react to anybody and he gets cement. But when I'm so rubby, I took him lower, I did let him stay away.
Yes, lots of sensors, so it's very responsive. If you hurt him, he knows that it's bad, and he will also reflect how people behave to him. For people that, like Frida, that doesn't necessarily want to join in or participate with other people, it's had a really amazing impact where she's wanting to come out more and interact with the seal. She will say that she eats better, which in turn then she sleeps better. So it's the whole cycle of her well-being and life which is improved due to Paro.
Japan is very forward-thinking in its ideas for technology and will combine developments in robots with the Olympic Games in 2020.
In the Olympics, there will be robots to help translate science and give directions to people from different communities and societies. Coexistence with humans and offering hospitality is the most important factor in the concept for utilizing robots. They are planned to direct guests at venues and give foreign language support in addition to carrying belongings of the elderly and disabled.
In fact, in Japan, there is already a hotel completely run by robots and robot dinosaurs, and there's even a life-size robot that can read your emotions and hug the pain away.
Future technology helps us have a better life, but they have a few negative traits too. Machines such as drones could be used to look into military bases for bad purposes, such as terrorism. If the drone is flown above the height limit set by the CIA, it can risk lives. It could hit a plane and cause it to crash.
Drones have been used in negative ways and have been used to interfere with people's privacy.
Many people see drones as something that negatively affects the travel locations. Many tourists fly drones and during peace and tranquility of areas such as rice paddies in Bali.
For robots, there have always been issues about whether they will get too intelligent and will take over the world. We begin to consider if we should limit technology for robot development and whether robots should have rights similar to humans. But with different countries having different ideas, how will we approach this as a united world to ensure that robots will be sustainable for the future?
Not only do we need to continue to think about robots, but also what other technologies will shape our lives. Will our smartwatches become holograms? Will our devices be able to read our thoughts? Will we have our very own personal robot assistants? Will the drone replace the car? Will robots steal our jobs?
We hope you have begun to think about how our life will change. It is important to question the impact of changes on our lives, and it is important as learners to inquire about things that affect us. In this way, we can practice, adapt, and learn. Thank you for listening to our assembly.